Welcome to my video on the 12 coolest small gadgets for your kitchen. Today, I am going to explore some innovative tools that will make your cooking experience more efficient, fun, and enjoyable. Let's dive right in. 12. JASVIC Stainless Steel Garlic Press Rocker. If you love cooking with garlic but hate the tedious process of mincing it, the JASVIC Garlic Press is here to save the day. This stainless steel rocker-style garlic press is a game-changer in the kitchen. Its ergonomic design allows for easy operation with a comfortable grip, making garlic preparation a breeze. Made from high-quality food-grade 304 stainless steel, this garlic press is not only durable but also rust-resistant. You can use it safely without worrying about sharp edges. The stylish black finish with a hammer nail surface adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen tools. What sets this garlic press apart is its versatility. You can effortlessly crush garlic in seconds, making it ideal for various cooking applications. It's perfect for chefs, foodies, and garlic lovers alike. As a bonus, it comes with a silicone garlic peeler, scraper, and cleaning brush, offering great value for your money. 11. Bella Electric Can Opener and Knife Sharpener. Next up, I have the Bella Electric Can Opener and Knife Sharpener. This 2-in-1 gadget is a must-have for any kitchen. The electric can opener effortlessly opens cans of all sizes with just the push of a button, eliminating the struggle of manual can openers. But that's not all. This device also features a built-in knife sharpener. Keep your knives in top condition without the need for separate sharpening tools. The compact design ensures it won't take up much counter space, making it perfect for small kitchens. The electric knife no-show cord storage keeps your kitchen clutter-free and your countertop neat and organized, allowing you to tuck it away when not in use. With its sleek appearance and dual functionality, the Bella Electric Can Opener and Knife Sharpener is a practical addition to your kitchen arsenal. 10. Dash Mini Maker Electric Round Griddle. For those who love quick and easy meals, the Dash Mini Maker Electric Round Griddle is a delightful addition to your kitchen. This compact appliance is perfect for making individual portions of pancakes, eggs, cookies, and more. Simply plug it in and wait for indicator light to turn off. It heats up in mere minutes. The dual nonstick surfaces provide an even cook for consistent results, each and every time. The nonstick surface ensures easy cooking and cleaning, while the indicator light lets you know when it's preheated and ready to use. Its small size makes it ideal for dorm rooms, apartments, or for those who want to make a quick snack without firing up the stove. Whether you're cooking for one or want to make fun, bite-sized treats for a party, the Dash Mini Maker is versatile and user-friendly. 9. Fradel Digital Kitchen Food Scale with Bowl. Precision is key in cooking and baking, and that's where the Fradel Digital Kitchen Food Scale with Bowl comes in handy. This sleek and modern scale features a removable bowl, allowing you to weigh ingredients directly or use your own containers. This kitchen scale also has a backlit LCD display for easy-to-read, easy-to-use functionality. The digital display provides accurate measurements in various units, including grams, ounces, and milliliters. The tare function lets you reset the scale to 0 after adding each ingredient, making it perfect for complex recipes. With its compact design and multifunctionality, this scale is an essential tool for both amateur cooks and professional chefs alike. 8. CZDIDEXI Oil Sprayer for Cooking. Say goodbye to excessive oil use with the CZDIDEXI Oil Sprayer for Cooking. This innovative gadget allows you to control the amount of oil you use in your cooking, promoting healthier meal preparation. The fine mist spray ensures even distribution of oil, perfect for greasing pans, dressing salads, or adding a light coating to foods before grilling. Made from food-grade materials, it's safe to use with various oils and vinegars. It is lightweight, 200 milliliters capacity, 0.2 pound weight, can be used in the kitchen or carried outside, and easy to carry to anywhere you want. The JASVIC oil sprayer is a simple yet effective tool for health-conscious cooks. 7. GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Station. Breakfast enthusiasts, rejoice! The GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Station is here to make your mornings easier and more delicious. This compact appliance combines a coffee maker, toaster oven, and griddle all in one. You can brew your coffee, toast your bread, and cook eggs or bacon simultaneously, saving time and counter space. The non-stick griddle is perfect for pancakes, while the toaster oven can handle everything from bagels to small pizzas. Ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or offices, this breakfast station brings convenience and versatility to your morning routine. 6. BIDFUL magnetic measuring spoons set stainless steel with leveler. Accurate measurements are crucial in cooking and baking, and the BIDFUL magnetic measuring spoon set takes precision to the next level. This set includes dual-sided spoons with both round and oval ends, perfect for fitting into spice jars of different sizes. The magnetic feature keeps the spoons neatly stacked together for easy storage. Made from durable stainless steel, these spoons are built to last. The included leveler ensures exact measurements every time. With measurements ranging from 1/8 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon, this set covers all your measuring needs in one compact package. 5. OTOTO Funny Spoon Holder. Add a touch of whimsy to your kitchen with the OTOTO Funny Spoon Holder. This charming gadget not only serves a practical purpose, but also brings a smile to your face while cooking. Designed to hold your spoon or ladle while you're cooking, it keeps your countertop clean and adds a fun element to your kitchen decor. The quirky design makes it a great conversation starter and a perfect gift for food enthusiasts. Despite its playful appearance, the OTOTO Funny Spoon Holder is made from durable materials, ensuring it can withstand the heat and steam of your cooking adventures. 4. Tovolo Microwave Splatter Cover for Food. Say goodbye to messy microwave cleanups with the Tovolo Microwave Splatter Cover for Food. This ingenious gadget acts as a shield, preventing food splatters from coating the inside of your microwave. The perforated design allows steam to escape, ensuring your food heats evenly without getting soggy. It's large enough to cover most microwave-safe dishes and collapses for easy storage. Made from BPA-free materials, it's safe for food contact and dishwasher-friendly for easy cleaning. The Tovolo Microwave Splatter Cover is a simple solution to a common kitchen problem. 3. OXO Good Grip's new large 4-inch pizza wheel and cutter. Pizza lovers, this one's for you. The OXO Good Grip's new large 4-inch pizza wheel and cutter makes slicing your favorite pies a breeze. The large, sharp stainless steel wheel easily cuts through thick crusts and toppings. The comfortable, non-slip handle provides a secure grip, allowing for smooth, effortless cutting. The wheel is removable for easy cleaning, and the built-in guard keeps your fingers safe during use and storage. Whether you're cutting homemade pizzas or store-bought ones, this pizza wheel ensures clean, precise cuts every time. 2. Farberware Professional Heat-Resistant Nylon Meat and Potato Masher. Mashing potatoes or ground meat has never been easier with the Farberware Professional Heat-Resistant Nylon Meat and Potato Masher. This versatile tool features a unique wave-shaped head design that efficiently breaks down foods for smooth, lump-free results. Made from heat-resistant nylon, it's safe to use with non-stick cookware and can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. Whether you're making mashed potatoes, guacamole, or breaking up ground meat for tacos, this masher is up to the task. 1. Slice Auto-Retractable Mini Box Cutter. Last but not least, we have the Slice Auto-Retractable Mini Box Cutter. While not exclusively a kitchen tool, this gadget proves incredibly useful for opening packages, cutting parchment paper, or trimming box flaps. The ceramic blade is finger-friendly, reducing the risk of accidental cuts. It's also rust-proof and doesn't require oiling. The auto-retractable feature ensures the blade retracts as soon as you release the slider, providing an extra layer of safety. Its compact size makes it easy to store in a drawer or hang on a keychain, always ready when you need it. And there you have it, 12 cool and innovative small gadgets that can make a big difference in your kitchen. These tools are designed to make your cooking experience more enjoyable and efficient. Remember, the best kitchen gadgets are those that suit your cooking style and needs. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, these tools can help streamline your food preparation process and add a touch of fun to your culinary adventures. We hope you've enjoyed this rundown of cool kitchen gadgets. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.